Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CV. Doing another tune-up report on the Galaxy DX-98VHP. This is for Eric, and I believe he's in Ohio. Yep, Eric's in Ohio. And he's asked for a Top Gun modulator switch. We put it in the back there. Let's check out the power of this radio. Start AM with the power all the way down. Alright. So then I'll set this top scale for 10 watts. All the way down is right at about 10 watts. I usually go to 6, but the Top Gun modulator wants me to go to 10. Those people there. Alright, I'm going to turn it up now. All the way up is 60. My peak power meter at 500 slug. 300's right there. Audio, check. Audio. And sideband. Audio, check. I'm sure I have to talk that. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. About 250, 260. Okay, there's no amp switch, that's it, just high power. Alright, put that back in the middle. Hey, Breaker 19 for a radio check. I appreciate it, driver. Thank you very much. Got a couple of them.